Welcome to changing the fuel tanks in Isla Rose. Please do not try this at home. For entertainment purposes only. First thing we did, we built a fuel filter system transfer pump so we could pump out the port tank into the new starboard tanks. As you can see here, they're not in that bad a shape, but the other tank had been leaking, so we decided to do both sides, get it out of the way. We didn't want to end up with a bilge full of diesel somewhere halfway to Florida or around the loop or whatever. Alright, step one of the job was to drill 4 corners on the hull where the tank is so we could put a straight edge on it and mark some lines to cut. Well, sorry about the voiceover, but my camera, I got an Alexseal little camera and it was set at 2x, which automatically kills the audio. I'm going to have to fix that before I do some more video with it. But the side of the boat cuts fairly easily with a circular saw. See, I got glasses and a mask on, a long sleeve shirt. Yeah, it went quite well. Okay, I'll shut up now and let you watch the rest of this video. This is just part 1. I'm not going to make them too long. If I did them all in one video, it would be hours long. Okay, I'm back. I forgot about this. After cutting with the circular saw, we had to get the Sawzall to get through the frames and the corner cuts, because the circular saw, you don't want to overcut it and have more work to repair. So we just did it with the Sawzall. Okay, now that we've got the wall down, we have to open up the tank. We're going to cut 3 ports in the side over here to see what's in it. Ended up having just a little bit of diesel left in it, so we went over to Tractor Supply and picked up some Speedy Dry, 2 bags, about 60 pounds, and dumped 3/4 of it into these tanks to suck it all up. This video is basic demo and nothing special. In the future videos we will be getting into the tools we use, why we're doing what we're doing, and the finishing techniques and the products we're going to be using. So stay tuned and it should be entertaining. Okay, guys, do us a favor. Give us a like. We like likes. Also, if you would, subscribe. We're getting close to 1,000. We'd like to hit the 1,000 mark. And leave a comment. It helps the channel. Thank you. See you next time. Part 2 of replacing our fuel tanks.